not. No spillage. Could be enough bacon.
Maybe. Oh, hell yeah.
Think so?
Oh, yeah. Full of bacon.
No.
Okay, 6 fried ones would be good, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
How many fried? 6?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do
Bunch of
6, I
scrambled?
think, for everybody. Because he's doing scrambled.
Oh, yeah, yeah. That would be good.
Ooh, yeah.
Mmm. Yeah.
That's what I wanted to see.
This ready?
It's all gonna run out. See?
Oh, yeah, the tilt.
We're here. Keep going.
Yummy? All right, here we go.
All right.
The feast is prepared. Joel out here cooking. He's got his setup going. Let's do a tour of his mansion here. 10-person tent. He's got his cot with the air mattress on top. Got his desk set up, everything. He's got all of his supplies, his poles. He's got his little area over here. Fire pit's a little far away, but you know. Now it's time for some breakfast. Breakfast for lunch.
Breakfast for lunch.
What do you got over here? A little cleaning station?
Yeah.
There you go.
Can't get sick, man. Can't get sick.
Heck no.
I got that fast.
Good. Some lamb burgers.
Oh, we're talking about meat.
Been on there for a while.
Lamb burgers.
Bambi sandwiches.
I didn't even pay attention to what it was.
Give them a smash.
It'll help you cook a little better too. I love the smell of lamb when it cooks. It's just something about the fat. Yeah. I'd be eating these right now, but I know you guys like your meat a little bit more cooked. Than
Well, I
me.
don't like I like my hamburger medium rare on a regular burger.
Yeah, let's go for it, huh?
Toast the bun.
Yeah, toast the buns and then we'll add the cheese.
Get your bun. Yeah, it does have a different smell, huh?
Yeah, it's just something about the fat level in lamb. I don't know. There you go. Now one piece of cheese on there.
Okay. Cheese open here.
He's got two over here.
What does he? Ooh, we got to check on these buns real quick. No, they're not burning. One more piece. Oh.
The onions. You just
No.
sliced them.
Nope. Yep.
Cool. I don't know. With me, there's something about cooked onions on a burger that just
Yeah.
I like raw.
Yeah.
Me too. I
Get
don't
more
like
flavor out of them.
Yeah, they're too caramelized when they're cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah. On the right kind of food, it's okay. But
What the hell? That one's good.
the grill's not hot enough.
There we go. Oh.
Imagine standing over this for 8 hours a day cooking.
Oh my god.
Just this morning I was.
Ooh, good.